Hi children, welcome to the field visit. So the previous session we learned about plants, different types of plants and its uses, isn't it? In today's class we'll be learning about different types of animals. Okay? So I hope you all have seen a lot of animals, isn't it? Around your house, like cows, buffaloes, dogs, cats and all that. Yes? Yes, you have seen a lot of animals, isn't it? But can you see the lion, tigers and cheetah near your house? No, we can see them only in the forest. Okay, so in today's class we'll be learning about different types of animals and where do they live as well as how do they help us. In today's class we are going to learn about the domestic animals and how they are useful to us. Are you ready to learn? Did you all see the young one of cow, children? It looks so pretty, isn't it? Can you tell me what is the young one of cow named as? Yes, the young one of cow is called as calf. Yes, I hope you all would have learnt in UKG. The young one of cow is called as calf. So pretty like you, na? Children, can you guess what it is? It is a cow. And can you tell me what is a cow gives us? Yes, you are right. Cow gives us milk. What does a cow gives us? Cow gives us milk. And today's class, this is going to show you how do we extract milk from cow. I know you all will be very eager to see the video how milk has been extracted from cow, isn't it? So let's watch. Did you see how do they extract milk from cow? Yes? Before extracting milk, they first clean it. Only after cleaning it with water, they extract milk from the cow. Children, milk makes our bones and teeth strong. I hope you all would have learnt in first standard. Yes or no? Yes. So milk gives us lot of energy. So what you should do? At least drink milk twice a day. After breakfast in the morning as well as before going to bed, you drink a cup of milk at night. Okay children? Because it makes your what? Bones and teeth strong. And you know what are the milk products we get from milk? Yes, other products. From this milk, if you just squeeze 2 or 3 drops of lemon, the milk will turn into curd. Okay. And when you pour water and just grind it in the mixer grinder, you'll get the buttermilk. What do you get from curd? We get buttermilk. And from the buttermilk, you can take the butter separately, and with that butter, what you'll get? We get ghee. So only from this milk we get lot of milk products like curd, buttermilk, butter, cheese as well as what? Ghee. Ghee is very good for health. So in the every afternoon, don't forget to eat rice with curd. Okay, as well as you pour some ghee in your rice. Okay, so ghee and curd are very good for your health. So if you have not taken so far, at least take hereafter. It's a natural food that we get from cow. There is no anything, any adulteration or nothing, no chemicals are added to it. Curd and ghee are very good for health. We get it purely from the cow. Okay children, that is from the milk of the cow. Animals like cow, goat and buffaloes gives us milk, and not only gives us milk but also it gives us meat. I hope everybody would have tasted goat's meat, isn't it? Your mama would have made curry, fry and gravy and all. Yes, goat, like just like cow and buffalo, goat also gives us milk and meat. The goats over there, children. I can't go near them. Children, did you see a cock and hen over here? Birds like hen and ducks gives us egg. You know how healthy the egg is? And I hope everybody is eating an egg every day. Yes, don't forget to eat an egg every day. It has lot of protein in it. Okay, don't forget to eat an egg. You can eat it in any form, either boiled egg or omelette, anything. But you try to eat at least an egg every day. Okay, and hen, they not only give us egg, but also they give us what? Chicken. I hope everybody likes to eat chicken 65. Yes or no? And your mama gives you chicken gravy and chicken 65 and especially KFC chicken. I hope everybody likes to eat. Yes? Yes, we get egg and chicken from hen. Okay?